baby. Welcome to Chef Bourque's Cajun Kitchen. Hot dang. Hey, look here. It's been 6 years now since the Wego Cookers have been doing their thing with the Louisiana Dutch Oven Society. And this video is to help celebrate that 6 years. And I went back over a few years and picked out some awesome people. I mean, it's just awesome folks. And they're all great cooks, let me tell you what. The meals are always terrific. They meet once a month in West Wego, Louisiana. And hey, look, if you and your family want something real good to do on a weekend, get on out there and get it done, Chad, and you'll really have fun. Hey, this is Chef Bourque. Go to Facebook, check out Wego Cookers on Facebook, and get all the details of exactly where they're at and what they're doing. Anyway, this is Chef Bourque. Talk with you later. Enjoy the video, Chef. Hot dang.